All right, folks, this is a video for all of you guys who want to make some good stuff. And this is to use Claude Code with Minimax, right? So normally speaking, Claude Code is really good for coding. It's just very useful. It's developed by Anthropic, and has a very good understanding of your code. So it runs locally. It kind of understands your code and allows you to build better. Normally people think, oh, you can use Claude Code with, well, Claude, but Claude is expensive. So why can't we just use that with Minimax? So Minimax is actually very cheap if you have the token plans. So for example, if you have the plus token plan, you have essentially 4,500 model requests every 5 hours. And if you have max plan, you're gonna get 15,000 every 5 hours. This means that you can really schedule something to build overnight. Like any idea that can come into your head, you can schedule that overnight and just use up those tokens as if they're just like water, right? Just run the tap, let it flow, let it develop, let it work. And Claude Code's really good at working at night. I've been actually been testing this out over time, and a lot of times I just have like this crazy idea at night, and I said, hey, look, I'm going to sleep, program it for me, get this idea up and running, and just make it work. And the next day you have something that's very interesting. And we have a bunch of projects like that. You can actually see that on the BoxminingAI website. But the whole idea is you can, we have demos replacing jobs and everything. But the key here is that you can get this up and running very quickly. So what you have to do is you just have to change a few configuration settings in your Claude Code. I'll show you guys how to do it on my VPS. I do this on my VPS because I don't shut the machine down at night. It runs 24 hours for me, right? So that's kind of makes sense for my setup. But you can actually look for the instructions here. I'll just show you guys. You can use that for Kilo Code or for anything else. OpenClaw, Kilo Code, Grok, CLI. But the key here is, kind of use it. My preferred way of using it is on Claude Code running on a virtual server. The key here is actually really easy. So you just have to access your settings.json file. And you just have to put this into your environmental file. So let's just do that very quickly and show you guys how to get that working. They actually tell you where the JSON file is located. So for me, I'm just going to copy that. So nano, the file there, that's the right file. All right, so you just have to add the environmental variables in. So here, I'm gonna have to copy this and put that inside. You have to note that you have to change the Minimax API key here. So you just have to put it into as the API key that you have on your token plan. That's what they're calling it now. So you can go to account here and just open your token plan and just copy the token plan API key. This is the one that has the usage that resets. So yeah, you can just think of it as kind of free infinite tokens as part of your plan, and you can just really use it, right? So just paste that in and then just replace that with the token plan you have. Also, if you guys are in China, make sure you use the China API. But honestly, since most of you guys are not in China, use the base URL, which is the api.minimax.io/Anthropic, not the China one. The China one would mean that you'll be very slow. So Chinese users can use minimaxi.com, but anyone international should use the international portal, which is the minimax.io/Anthropic base URL. So yeah, we just have to save that there. Just make sure you put the token in. I'm not going to show you guys on this video because obviously I don't want to dox my own token here, but then you just can Control X to exit, save the modified buffer, and then you're good to go. Oh, also a small note as well. When I copy and pasted this, because there's large brackets and I already have something in that file, you just have to copy this part here, the middle part, and then you put a comma after at the end here to make everything work for you, if you get what I mean for that. So that will make sure that your settings file actually works. Now you can just run Claude in any folder you want. So I'm just running it in my Box95. That's the project I have for BoxminingAI.com. And then once you loaded it, you can see that the model loaded is Minimax 2.7 over here. So now this is actually running correctly. And then you can just type anything. Hi, help me build out the Windows feature so that it includes a help mode. So you can just, now they can just use it as normal, as if you're programming with Sonnet or Opus, but now with the Minimax model, it's just so much cheaper. So it actually loads up the skills for you as well. So you can actually use the native skills, the MCP models in Claude Code, so that can help you develop a lot faster. But because you're using the cheaper Minimax model, it's just a lot, it's just because the plan, it just makes it a lot cheaper than the full Opus model. So yeah, the results are actually pretty good. And you can see that a lot of people are very excited for the Minimax 2.7 model. They're making a lot of very, very cool websites. Because of the way that Minimax has this kind of evolution going on, it was only going to get better. And people just make sites like this, which is like really, really fun. And the programming here is just like, you're running essentially near Opus level intelligence for programming, but at a much cheaper discounted cost, especially if you're using the plan. So with that, guys, I hope you guys have a successful development journey. You can use all the other tools here. If you guys have problems installing or you want to have another tutorial for a different client, tell me down in the bottom sections below. And also, of course, just a quick shout out to BoxminingAI.com. This site is really made for you guys. Yeah, yet again, this is made with the help of both Opus model and the Minimax model. And Minimax actually performed very well for the website, I have to say. And that's because like it just took my commands like very directly and just implemented it. But anyways, this was built with vibe coding, but it's using the Claude Code client, and the client is absolutely free. You just have to plug in your key. So yet again, it just the Claude Code just helps you with this. So I hope that clears up any problems. But this site has like how to set up the Claude Code, how to troubleshoot. You got security. It's basically a link to all our videos here. So with that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope to see you guys on the website. I hope you see you guys on future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.